टिके एपटे अनै दियो ए एपटे अनै दियो
चेंज हो चेंज देना चेंज चेंज दे और 20 टका भी नहीं दियो
काना एपटे अना ए सन्नी
रमणरा सजणी जाओ पूरा खर्चा भी करे
झील टे साइड दी जन सारा अना साइडो 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 पछको चलो आसो
भल ना सब्जी का भिजा
Now the wedding is over. We are going to announce the winners. We will start from the last one. Third prize goes to Mrs. Pramodini Panda. Happy hands everyone. Second prize goes to Mrs. Banita Sahu. And now it's time for our kitchen queen. Who's going to get the first prize? It is Priyatama Rao. Class everyone.
हाँ लो सत्तर
समस्त किसी ना किसी दबा
Now first prize goes to Priyaranjan Pan and Asif Paida. The lead is food item. Come on, all of you, clap your hands. Well, it's not enough. We have two more special prizes who impress our judges very much. That's why we are going to divide it to two parts. One from junior and one from senior. We will start from junior. So it is none other than Rudran Das. Another special prize goes to our seniors, Padmanabh Shahu and Tanmay Nayak. Thank you. Now all the participants. First, second, third. Let us see. Come along with your prize. So the prize. Yes, it is not enough. We have, as is right, every year we are going to distribute the consolation prizes to all the participants. So the consolation prizes go to all the participants. Then all are winners. But it is a competition, so we have to take few of you, that's why. Next, Ayushman, Sanshwansu, Shivankar, Aksar.
ଅନେଇ ଯେ ଶନିର ହେଲେ ଉଠେଇ ଏଟେ ପାଖକୁ ପଳାଏ
सृष्टि श्रेया दास, देवांश आशुतोष, अंशुमान प्रियांशु, सोमप्रकाश गोपबंधु प्रकाश, पीयूष, आयस्कांत, साई प्रसाद,
ପରଦିନ ଭୋଜି ଫୋନ୍ କଲି
जोगेश,
को दिया हो प्राइज
अनुज, सौम्यजीत तुषार शंकर, सौम्यजीत तुषार शंकर, सिद्धार्थ इंदौरी,
फोटो उठा सोनम पाल
देवांशी दास,
ଦେଖିଦେ लिसु ए लिसु केते टका बिकिलु केते गणिनु गोटे मिठा केटा नेखा गोटे मिठा केटा नेखा बिकिलु 10 टका ता देले 100 टका खने बिकि देइछु ना 200 हां
ए